Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run a command as an administrator on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 devices as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a couple different ways. If you were to open up the Start menu search and search for CMD or command prompt, you could just right click on it and select Run as Administrator. Or you could also select Run as Administrator over on the right panel once you've selected the command prompt. So again, you have to just have it highlighted here, and then you would select Run as Administrator over here on the right. If you were to right click on the Start button and select Task Manager, you could select the File tab and then select Run New Task. Type in CMD and check mark where it says Create this task with administrator privileges, and then select OK. And there you go, guys. I just provided a second alternative way of running it as an administrator. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.